Everybody, welcome back to Live Free and Tool On. Ryobi has done it again. They just came out with the brand new lawn tractor, and now this week they're coming out with a brand new clamp device. Now, this one is in the speaker department, which they're combining out everybody's love for the clamp to the speaker department. Now, before we get started, the one thing that Ryobi did is they took away these things called the score speakers. Now, these score speakers were speakers that you could connect up to like 5 of them. And with these speakers, it was amazing because you could have like outdoor parties, you could do all this stuff, and you had a bass unit, and then you had 4 other, or up to expandable, I think up to 4 more, which it worked out super well. People really took a good liking to them, but I don't think that the sales were quite ready. Then Ryobi started pivoting more to a lifestyle company, if you will, bridging the gap to other parts of the home from the garage. And then that's when we started seeing some of the vacuums, focusing in on some of the fans, like this clamp fan right here. This is what started all this clamp fan. Then they moved over to the lights, and now they're doing clamp everything. But it's such a really smart idea to get with these Ryobi clamp devices to put the speakers on it. Now, these speaker devices is something that will expand the business a little bit more because they're going to the tailgating. If you notice, they started doing some of the tailgating things. They have a cooler coming out. They got the speakers. They have all these really different outdoor things. So they're gearing towards a lifestyle. Now, this is something I didn't think that we would see, at least that I can see, and I think it's a game changer. So check it out. This has Bluetooth capabilities of 250 feet connection from your mobile phone or whatever device that you're powering it to. So just think about that. That's top tier Bluetooth technology. And get this, from the bass speaker, because you do need a bass speaker, and then that projects out to the rest of them, you can have 150 foot distance. So you are spanning, I mean, you could do weddings with this type of stuff, or big events. I mean, really, just you could host your own freaking concert if you really wanted to. But if you look at it, it's kind of ridiculous. 100+ speakers you can connect up to this. So they're utilizing the power of technology, and they're pushing it in there. I'm actually really excited about it, and when I told my wife about it today, she was ultra excited too, just because we can listen to the same thing around the farm. Yes, I'm talking, we're going to put the speakers around my farm and around my house so that we can all listen to the same stuff, which I'm actually pretty excited for. I didn't think I'd be excited for it, but I'm actually pretty excited for that. Another thing that they really talk about is you don't need an app to connect the speakers. You can just connect them. It's a quick connect. You just hit the buttons, you synchronize them, and then you can actually connect them. Now, each speaker, you can adjust the volume on it, which is really convenient because depending on who's in that area, they probably don't want it that loud. The big thing about a job site radio, if you're on a job site, you're going to blare one radio, like one of these, and you're going to blare it as loud as you can. So whoever's in that room's a boom box, and you don't really want that. So it's really good that you have the controllability of turning the speakers up and down. Now, I'm going to pause right here, and I want you to take a look. This is the new Bluetooth speaker here. This is the older Bluetooth speaker / radio, and this is the older handheld Bluetooth / speaker radio. This is the small one. What I found is that the quality of these, they're pretty good. They're convenient, but the speaker wasn't very good. When they put the bigger speakers in here, you got that really nice crisp sound, and you can check out down below. I actually reviewed this. You can check that out to see, if you really like it. Now, that's the type of speaker that you're going to expect out of these as well. That really nice, crisp sound, and you want that. You don't want that muffled, hard to listen to sound. So some things to keep a lookout for if you're looking for quality, look at the newer speakers, because that's the level of speaker that they're going to be putting in to this new technology. The one good thing about these clamp devices is that they can clamp onto a 2x4. You can clamp them just about anywhere. You can pivot the head, and the same goes for the speakers. You're not going to have to aim it at a wall. You're going to be able to put it wherever you need to, aim it, and you can go. And I'm actually super excited about that because a lot of times to get the right angle where you need the speaker kind of sucks, especially if you have it on your side or you have it in your pocket, you're hanging it off your tool belt, you're setting it in a corner. But if you can throw this up and actually mount it out of the way, mount it on a table so you don't have to take up real estate on top of a table. I don't know why I'm so excited about it, but maybe it's just the clamping device. Maybe that's what I'm excited about. Or maybe I'm excited that it can run off of 32 hours straight. Yes, you heard that right. With a 4 amp hour high output battery, it can run for 32 hours. So you're going to keep that party going for a very long time, or you're going to be ultra productive on that job site. Whichever one tickles your fanny, that's going to be one awesome tailgate party. The one thing that I can say about this is that it works off of the OnePlus battery right here. This has 280, actually take that back, over 280 tools that use that same battery that connect into here.
All new Ryobi 18-volt OnePlus Verse clamp speakers will be available exclusively at the Home Depot starting in spring 2023. The PCL 615 2P 2-pack will be available in-store and on HomeDepot.com starting on Ryobi days. The PCL 615B tool only will be available on HomeDepot.com, and the PCL 615K1 featuring a Verse clamp speaker, an 18-volt 1.5 amp hour lithium battery, and a charger will also be available on HomeDepot.com.
Now the pricing, everybody wants to know the pricing. If you want to get the speaker only, it's going to be $59. If you want to get the kit, that's going to be with the battery, that's going to be $99, battery and charger. And then if you're going to get a couple of the speakers, base unit and one speaker, that's going to be $99 as well. They are calling this the 18 OnePlus Verse clamp speaker. And if you take a look, I mean, this is a pretty good looking device. But I like how they're keeping the form and factor of the clamp tools. It looks pretty compact. You're going to be able to take this thing just about anywhere. You know what? I'm probably going to buy a bunch of them just to have a bunch of them to put around my house. I can't wait to have that surround. I feel like my life, I've been living my whole life in mono right now, and I'm about to step into stereo surround sound. I'm going to, like, my entire life's going to be an IMAX theater from this point forward. But everybody, I hope that you enjoyed the video. Ryobi, keep rocking, keep coming out with this new technology, all these really awesome things that you're bringing out. The thing is, these are the small steps that people invest in your company, and then they really grow into the brand, into the lifestyle that you're providing. So you're making this incremental steps for people to really get in here. I really appreciate it. That's why I jumped into this so long ago. That's why I make videos completely, is because of the value and the cool stuff that you're making. If you all like this video, if it was helpful, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Please share, because sharing is caring. And really hope to see you on the next video. Take care, everybody.